Hi and welcome. My name is Johnny Fergan. I'm from All Total Coaching. What I want to talk to you today is how to make your ex regret dumping you. But before we start, I'd like to talk about a book that is now on sale, How to Be a Man, What Your Father Never Taught You. It's in the unedited version, but once the full version will be coming to effect, that'll be in 2-3 months, but it's still on sale. If you add an extra $5, you'll get the whole version in 2 months. So what is our book all about? It's a guide for men, any man. They live in a feminized, we live in a feminized society. What is it all about? Man, what is a man? How to be a man? Women, relationships and sex. Media, manipulation, indoctrination by the movies. Health, food and exercise and why it's so important. Money, wealth, what you need to know, what you've never been told at school. Value, what is value and why it's so important. How to overcome the biggest phenomena in our generation of depression and fear, where 8 people in Australia commit suicide a day, 6 are men, and the media don't report it because they don't want you to know the truth. Happiness and fulfillment, feminism, the real truth, family court and consequences, false accusation and DV, domestic violence, how to be social, build a great network, keep up, how to maintain relationships, summary of the rules that will save your life, and at the end, sources and resources. So before we start, please subscribe to our channel, press the icon button on great videos that are coming your way. After this video that I'm doing now, how to make your ex regret dumping you, we're going to go for another video very soon. What does the dumper go through and how to improve your SMV as a man, one video, and how to improve your SMV for women, meaning your social, sexual market value. For those that don't understand what's SMV. So, today we're going to talk about how to make your ex regret dumping you. How? For starters, keep your mouth shut and don't gossip about them. Because sooner or later, if you got mutual friends, it'll go back to them. Hit the gym. Start getting fit. Because the fitter you are, the more she or he will regret dumping you. Go after your goal. What is your purpose in life? My purpose is helping you guys, but what is your purpose? What did you want to achieve? If you don't have a goal in life, you're just wavering in the wind. There's nothing wrong with having a job, but what is your dream? Go after that dream. Writing that book, being a great dancer, whatever it may be, a painter. What is your goal? Go back onto your goal. Get new clothes. Change your hairstyle. Go to lessons. Learn how to dance. Expand your social circle. When you post things on Facebook, don't ever talk about negative things. Only great things you're doing. Like that painting you painted. So when your ex sees those things, if you want to keep them on social media, they can see you doing things. You're not sitting at home wallowing in despair. Again, don't ask about mutual friend, how is your ex doing, Jenny or John or Jeff, whatever he's doing. Because that is guaranteed to go back to them. Don't ever contact them. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, don't do nada, nothing. Because your ex is expecting you to contact them. And by you not contacting, they'll wonder. At this period of time, I want you to make peace with yourself. Because when you make peace with yourself, you'll be more of a positive person. Because if not, you'll be in turmoil, and that's going to show when you go out, and other people will see that you're in disarray, and that's going to go back to your ex. Go and do some meditation so you can calm the cluttering and all the stuff you've got in your head. Learn a new skill. Dancing, guitar lessons, a music instrument, painting, whatever it is. It's about time. But not only that, it'll make you new skill, and you'll expand your social circle. Like I said earlier, don't gossip about him or her, because it will go back to your ex. There is no better way to make your ex regret dumping you when you become successful. And the more successful you become, the more they regret dumping you. The reason why your ex dumped you is because you become needy, you groveled, you went off your purpose, especially the men. And the more you got off the purpose, that's why they dumped you. So realign yourself with your purpose. Realign yourself of not being needy. Realign yourself of getting fit. Realign yourself getting into that new skill and become successful. And the more successful you become, I can guarantee you that sooner or later the news will travel through that you're now fitter, you're better, you're dating other women, and you name it. And that will get filtered through, and I can guarantee you that they will regret dumping you. So these are more or less the things that you can make your ex regret dumping you. Post pictures of fun, only fun, even if you're suffering. Fake it till you make it. I've said this on the channel many times. And another thing, show that you're in a group of people. It means you're not sitting alone. And new people, because it'll be mutual friends, she knows these people, but new friends, new people, because that's going to add to the mystery and the mystique of yours, thinking, who are these people? Is he dating one of these women or men? And that's going to create more intrigue on his or her behalf of the dumper, and then more than likely will regret dumping you. I really hope you enjoyed the things that can make your ex regret dumping you, and you learned a few things. Look us up at www.alltotalcoaching.com. Email us at john@sosdating.com. If you've got any other things that you can add to this, please let us know in the comment below. And if there's any topics that you like us to cover on this channel, please in the comments below and let us know what would you like us to cover here at alltotalcoaching.com. I want to thank you very much for taking your time listening to us. Next video is going to be what the dumper goes through. So that'll be in a couple of days. Please stay tuned. If you got any questions whatsoever, ask. Like I said many times before, nobody knows what you're going through unless you ask for help. Some people can help you more, some people can less, but I will help you like nobody was helped you. Email us at john@sosdating.com. I can change your life. The question is, do you want to? Or are you going to do the same thing again and again, expecting different result when really it's insanity? Thank you very much. As always, you know I'm your friend, Johnny Forgan.